Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to divide both sides by y. We can see that we put about v equals to f and y. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we got about dv over ds equal to first derivative of y over y. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So this one we change for this one. F and y we change for v. We can see that this one that is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we need to know that this one next to v, this is for integrating factor. So we need to put this one gone here. So the integration of this one, that is about negative ln of s plus 1. Later that we put the negative go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s plus 1 to the power of negative number 1. And we have 1 over s plus 1. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So this one we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one, that is about first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. The integration of this one, you got about y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have v over s plus 1. This one, that is about s. About v, that is about f and y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.